If you want to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S26, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. So the first thing that you can do is you can go to settings. Over here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the general management. And then in here, we can go to reset in order to find factory data reset. Here we have the summary of everything that is going to be removed, which is pretty much everything. And remember to make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose in the process, because of course everything is going to be erased from this phone. You can also select this eSIMs option in case you want to also remove all your eSIM profiles from this phone during the factory reset process. Once you're ready, tap on the reset button in here and follow the rest of the instructions. You can also use two additional features that allow you to factory reset the phone, for example with the help of another device such as a computer. The first option can be found in security and privacy. If we go over here to the, let me actually try to locate it, there we go, over here to the lost device protection, then here we have the Find My Mobile, and we can allow this phone to be found with the Samsung Find app. Now, once that option is enabled, you should be able to go to the smartthingsfind.samsung.com, or you can search for Samsung Find in Google, for example, or you can use the Smart Things Find app as well, or Samsung Find app on your phone, on another phone. And once you use your Samsung account, then you should be able to select your Galaxy S26 in here. In my case, I also have S26 Ultra selected, but that's not the point. Once you select the phone, then here on the right side, we should be able to find the Erase Data button, so you can use that to factory reset your phone. There is also the Google's Find Hub app, which can also be used in a similar way. But in order to find the Find Hub, we just have to go to Google Services instead in the settings. Then we're going to proceed to All Services, and then here we need to scroll down to find the Find Hub option. Of course, we need to allow this device to be located. You can also go to Find Your Offline Devices if it's necessary for you, but of course these options have to be enabled. I mean, this one has to be enabled if you want to use the Find Hub by Google. And in this case, you want to go to google.com/android/find, and then you should be able to find your Galaxy S26 on a list of all devices in here. And then here we have the factory reset device option as well. Keep in mind that you need to use the Google account that is also assigned on your phone to be able to find your phone, of course. And last but not least, we can also use the recovery mode. But in order to use the recovery mode, we need to use a USB cable, and we will need to connect our phone to a computer or a laptop or something similar. First, we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna go to the quick settings to find the power button in here, and then we're gonna tap on power off to completely shut down the phone. We need to prepare the USB cable. And once you connect the USB cable to the phone, you have to press and hold the power button and volume up button. And once you see the Samsung logo, you want to let go of the power button and just hold the volume up only. So let's plug it in and then press and hold power and volume up, and then just volume up. And there we go, now we are in the recovery mode. In this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons, and of course we want to select wipe data/factory reset. Once that option is highlighted, press power button in order to confirm it. And if needed, go through additional instructions that you will see on the screen in order to factory reset your phone. In case you go back to this menu, choose Reboot System Now afterwards once the factory reset is complete, in order to restart your phone and go back into the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.